everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back to share the second part of what I'm going to be sending out to the lovely Kim for her 12-day Christmas swap. So yeah, I'm going to share some bits that are like goodies that I've bought, but also some bits that I've made for her and sending out. This is in no, like, I'm not doing it in any order or like days or anything. It's just kind of random, and I thought I'd share those with you. So the first two kind of big large things, I had to go and rethink. I did have a P. Louise box that I'd saved, and I was going to put it all in that to send it out to her, but these two things wouldn't fit in now, so I have gone and got another box to send out, because like I said, these were too large to put in. So I picked these up from the range. I thought they were really cute. So you can make paper canvases, but obviously you can paint them, you can colour them, but you don't have to use them if you didn't want to make the canvas. You could just stick them onto a project, because obviously you can cut all this off. Yeah, you could put them in a frame. I thought they were really cute images, all these different animals. I thought it'd be quite fun to see different things or ideas that she can come up with on how to incorporate these into different projects. And then the other thing that was quite big to put in a box, I have picked up one of these. It's a scrapbook album. Again, I thought it'd be quite nice to see. I mean, she doesn't, these are kind of like for layouts, but I don't think Kim does layouts. I think she does a lot of card making, but again, she could come up with a way of storing her cards in here, or she could put like scrap pieces of like papers. She could use it for storage. I just thought it'd be quite nice and different to send out. It comes with a lot of clear pockets for her to use. Yeah, and it's obviously Christmas themed, so she could do different pieces of artwork and put them like Christmassy ones and put them in there. So that's those two. Next I came up with this. So I came up with this idea of not an album, but I guess like an album, but one that you can sort of take apart and use in different projects. But I didn't want to put a ring or a binder on the album itself, because then you wouldn't, it would have holes in the top of it, if that makes sense. So I came up with a box so you can store it and reuse it that way. So this is the box that I've made. I just made the box literally to fit the products that I wanted to put inside. And then I had these die cuts in my stash. Again, this is a KS Craft, I think, die. I just put that on there. It's cute little reindeer. I think the lovely Alex sent this to me as well. So yeah, I've just used that and then just covered it in papers all the way round. So the first thing I did was I put this in front. This was the plastic part of this was from an old packaging that had some rubbers in that I picked up. I think I picked these up from the works. I'm not 100% sure, and I've made these into key rings, but they came in this plastic packaging. I just repurposed it. Thought it was a great way to send out some beads, and then I just backed some thick cardstock on the back, covered it with some patterned papers, decorated the edges with some pom-pom trim and this tinsel, and then yeah, this cute little like velvet bow and some stickers. It's a really cute way of reusing your packaging and a great way to send out like beads, or you could put like sweeties in there if you wanted to, chocolates, that sort of thing. So first thing I put in there was that. Then this stamp set is really cute. It's got some gnomes, and it says believe in the magic of Christmas, and then it's got this little star, so I can send that. And then this Cadbury's Dairy Milk Winter Wonderland chocolate. And then this is kind of the album I was talking about. Like I said, I was going to put like binder rings at the top, but I didn't want it to go into this part. And then I thought a ring here, but again it would interfere with this. So what I've done is on the front of each one, I've made a card base, because I know Kim likes to make cards. And I thought this was a nice way to send out, and she can make some quick cards. These are just held on by some like removable glue dots. So all you've got to do is peel that up, and then she's got a card base she can use on some Christmas cards. And then on the back, again held by some glue dots, is some embellishments. So this one, the glue dots don't want to hold that. This one is some bag toppers, and again I've just put some embellishments on the top there. So there's some bag toppers on that one. On the back of this one I made some Christmas jumpers, and again she can easily just remove these. Like I said, they're all just held on with some glue dots. You can just peel these off and reuse them, and the same with the card base on the front. You just remove all this, and then she's got this card base, and she could then make it into an album if she wanted to, or reuse those papers for other things. Yeah, so that's that one. Then this is this one. And on the back I've put some sentiments. This one. And then she's got some little the little shakers. Cup shakers. I thought they were really cute. And then this card front. And then on the back here there's some cute little houses. Like I said, you can just remove them, glue dot on the back, and you can use those on projects. You could do these, I've kind of left these quite plain. She can add to it. She could make these could be for Christmas, or they could be for Halloween. I thought they were quite cute. Got a little door there. Yeah, so that's that one. Then this card base. And some more sentiments on the back. And then this is the last one. So this is the card base, and then on the back I made some rosettes, and again they're sort of layered, different embellishments, and again she can remove these and use them on some projects. And I thought that was really cute, and like I said, I just made this little box to house them all, and then I stuck in some extra goodies in the front and back. So I thought that turned out really cute and a great way to gift some goodies, and that's it all in now. Yeah, so that's that one. The next thing I made was this crocheted bag. Really cute. This took me a while actually to put together, but I do want to make some more. It turned out really, really cute. It's just like a granny square, and then you add the top bit to it. Put some of these, added some crocheted hearts as on the pull strings. I picked up a cute little gingerbread with a letter K, And then I picked up this little decoration, or you could use it as an egg cup, yeah, as a gingerbread man. So I'm just going to put those back in there so that doesn't get broken. So really cute, they just fit in there perfectly in this little bag. So it's those. The next few bits is these. So some bits might be, I'm not sure how I'm going to package it yet, so they might be kind of loose. I shared this in a previous haul. It's the washi tape, like Christmassy one. They look like stamps. So I'm going to send that out to her. I put some of these little gems, just did a little cute bag topper. So they may be loose in the bag, in the box. I haven't decided yet. Then this cute little card. I had this in my stash. I thought it would be quite nice to send out and write a message in there. And then I found this. I thought this was really cute. Again, I don't know if Kim crochets at all, but I thought it'd be quite a fun project to do over Christmas. And again, it was a gingerbread man, so I couldn't leave him because I thought Kim might have fun putting him together. And it has all the bits come in it, like the needles and everything. Yeah, so I thought it'd be quite nice. Comes with buttons, the stuff, everything's kind of included in there. So I thought that'd be really sweet project for Kim to have a go at. And it has, I think it has the crochet, yeah, the crochet hook in there as well. So that's really cool. And then I think this may be the last thing actually I have to share. And I made this cute little box by hand. Again, I wanted something to send out. I wanted to make some crocheted flowers that I have been making recently. I've done a tutorial. I will link the tutorial to this video so you can check that out. So I wanted to make some crocheted flowers, and so I came up with this little box to house them and send them. Yeah, and just put some embellishments. This wooden chip piece that says number 8 on it, and then just opens like this. I've put some crocheted hearts in there, really cute. And then I've made some of these flowers in various colours. So you've got this cute burgundy kind of colour, some pink, red, white, and this green as well. Really pretty, and I thought it would be lovely to send out to her. And that's it, guys. There may be some other bits, little bits. Obviously I need to wrap these all, and yeah, there might be some loose, like I said, loose bits and bobs added in there as well. And that's all I have to share with you today, guys, in this video. I had so much fun putting this swap together for Kim. I hope she likes everything that I'm sending out to her. Please, like I said, I will link Kim's, she has an Instagram, I would link that in the description. Please go and check out her Instagram and show some support over there. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Have an awesome week, and I will catch you in my next video. Take care. Bye.